Hey, it's Hannah with WTI. And if you want a set of cat toys that your cat is going to love,
You need to get these interactive cat toys from MeoHui. My cats are completely obsessed with this set of toys, especially my boy Fry. He is 13 years old, and these toys make him play like he is a kitten. I love how much this set comes with. It has four of these little worm-looking guys and five different feather attachments, and it's two different wands, which is great because you can keep them in different spots. You can interchange all of these different toys, and I love that the wands are retractable so they can get really long, and it comes with two extra strings with the clasps attached in case your cats get a little too frisky. My cat Fry is so in love with these. He literally melted off the couch playing with this feather. I really think that this is a super high quality cat toy as well. Like it is really, really good quality and is lasting so good against this very playful boy.
so don't take my opinion for it. Take Fry's. He is obsessed with these toys, and if he loves them, then I love them. And that's our point of view.